Hello friends, so we started on our book, The Three Bears, and you were supposed to draw a picture of what you remembered in the beginning. Okay? So I'm going to start first. So what I remember in the beginning was Goldilocks was seen in the Three Bears window when they went for a walk. Okay, so I went ahead and drew the three bears walking, okay, and they're facing backwards so they didn't see her. And I see Goldilocks in the window. She's smiling and she sees their bowl of porridge. Okay. So real quick, I wanted to go ahead and label some of my items. Okay. So of course, I'm going to start here with the window, and I'm going to label it with the beginning sound or with the first sound. With window. What do we hear? I hear W, so I'm going to label it with the W. Okay. And I see a table. So when I hear table, I'm going to label that with a T. And then I see a bowl. I'm going to label that with a what? A B. B. And then I see a flower. What can I label flower with? F. Yeah. Alright, and I'm going to label the rest later, but I just wanted to show you what it means when you label. You listen for the beginning sound. Now, if you can listen for all the sounds in the word, go for it. So, for example, let's say I wanted to label bear. Okay, bear. When I say bear, I'm going to listen to all the sounds, and I can actually stretch it all the way down my arm. So, on my shoulder, I hear b, b, b. Okay, and I'm going to stretch it out. Bear, bear. I'm going to write it R. Okay. All right. Bear. Okay, so those are the sounds that I hear in bear. Okay, so that's something that you can do as well. Okay. Now today, we are going to go ahead and read the middle of the book because we have what happened in the beginning, and remember we're retelling. Okay. Now we're going to write what happens in the middle. Okay. What letter can I write for the word middle? What sound? What sound can I write? Yes. Okay. Up, down, up, down. So I have for middle. Okay. So we read the beginning, and remember in the beginning, we know that the three bears were at home, and Mama Bear went and cooked some hot porridge, and they went ahead and went for a walk. Okay. They went ahead and they went for a walk because, why? Because their porridge was too hot. Yes. And remember, we stopped here with Goldilocks, okay, looking in their window. So let's go ahead and read the middle of the story. Goldilocks was hungry, so she tasted Papa Bear's porridge, but it was too hot. Then she tried Mama Bear's porridge, but it was too cold. Then she tried Baby Bear's porridge. It was just right. So she ate and ate until she ate it all. Now, was Goldilocks supposed to go into their house without them being there? No, she was not. What should she have done? What do you think she should have done? I think she probably should have waited until they got back home. Okay? I think she should have waited till they got back home. Because it's not good manners to just walk into someone's house when they're not there. Okay, let's continue reading. Then Goldilocks wanted to sit down. First, she sat in Papa Bear's rocker, but it rocked too fast. Then she sat in Mama Bear's rocker. It rocked too slow. Then she sat in Baby Bear's rocker. It rocked just right. So Goldilocks rocked and rocked. She rocked so much the little rocker broke. Ooh, how do you think Baby Bear would feel about Goldilocks breaking his rocker? How do you think she would feel? Yes, I think she would be a little bit upset or a little bit sad. Yes, Baby Bear would be a little bit upset or a little bit sad. That's what I think. Let's continue. Then Goldilocks wanted to lie down. First she tried Papa Bear's bed. It was too hard. Then she tried Mama Bear's bed. It was too soft. Then she tried Baby Bear's bed. It was just right. So Goldilocks fell asleep in Baby Bear's bed. And that's the end of the middle, because remember we're going to be talking about middle. We're only talking about the middle. Okay. All right. So your assignment is you're going to draw a picture of what happened in the middle. Okay. We already drew a picture about what happened at the beginning, but now you're going to draw a picture of what happened in the middle. Okay. In the middle. Okay. All right. Make sure you use your brain and try to remember, what are some things that happened in the middle? Okay. So take a moment to think, what do you remember that happened in the middle? Okay. And once you have your idea, I want you to go ahead and draw your picture. And we will discuss it on Friday. Okay. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.